I'll often have clients say to me, well, we're going to be suing the insurance company, aren't we, Mr. Burnett? And my answer to that is, that would be nice, and the law is such that juries are put in the position of making awards against the individual who committed the wrong without any knowledge whatsoever of whether or not that individual has insurance. In fact, in most cases, the mention of insurance by a plaintiff's lawyer during a personal injury case is grounds for a mistrial and the granting of a new trial. And the reason for that is that historically it's been thought that if a jury is under the impression that an insurance company, a great big huge multi-billion-dollar corporation, is going to be paying this award, and that nice person sitting over there in the defendant's chair is not going to have to pay anything, that they might well exaggerate their award and award much more than they might otherwise. And so all lawsuits are brought against the individual, and the insurance company provides defense counsel. That's part of the insurance contract, and they provide the payment of any verdict or award up to the policy limits. But they do so in the name of the defendant. They do not appear, and the jury is not entitled to know, unless the insurance company wants them to know, and they very seldom do, that they are involved in the case. So that some folks think that works against their interest, but it also can work for their interest, because likewise the defendant is not permitted to tell the jury that, oh, Mr. Smith's $30,000 worth of medical bills were all covered by his insurance policy, and he's never going to have to pay them back, and so you shouldn't worry about that because he'd be double dipping. Likewise, for the defendant, they're not entitled to discuss any collateral sources, as they're called in the law, that the plaintiff might have for covering his or her accident-related expenses. So insurance is a no-no in the courtroom. It is outside any consideration by the jury, and I try and make that real clear to most clients, because it can change their perception of what their case might be worth.